How to rotate an object in Photoshop. Let's get into it. One of the latest Photoshop updates includes the ability to rotate any object within 3D space. This is currently in the beta version of Photoshop and can give varying results, but I'll walk you through how to use it. So for this example, I just have a masked image of a banana over a blue background, but this can work for any type of image that contains an object. So to get started, I'm going to select the banana, press Command or Control T on my keyboard to come into the transform properties. By doing this, the contextual taskbar opens up and we can see the rotate object button. If we click into this, Photoshop is going to prepare a rotatable object. I will advise that it does give you a low res version of the object for you to be able to perform this action. Once that's processed, it opens up a bunch of different tools. So we have rotation on the left over here, so we can go above and below the item like so. I'm going to click this button here to revert it back to original. We also have this handle at the bottom here, which allows us to do left to right rotation. And then we also have this perspective button here, which allows us to change the angle of which the image is shot at. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm just going to do a simple rotation just to show you how the tool works. So I'm just going to rotate this banana to the right there and then choose done. Photoshop is then going to enhance this low res image. With that done, we can see it's done a pretty decent job of rotating the banana and maintaining the original look of the image. If you're working with product placement or putting an image on top of another image, you can use the harmonize button to make it look like it was actually shot in the scene of the image. This is a non-destructive feature, so if you come over to layers, you will see your original layer underneath the rotate object layer, so you can easily enable, disable, or go back to what you had previously. And that's all there is to it.